Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is SUDJATMIKO. I'm from UNUJA University Python Probolinggo, majoring in informative engineering. This time I will be making a vlog at Bentar in Probolinggo. Let's go.
I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Okay guys, I'm back again in my vlog today. I'm still in the city of Probolinggo, to be at the beach of Bentar. Beach for a while located in Curasuo Village, Gending Sub District, Probolinggo District. This beach in north are the Pantura Road towards Situbondo and Banyuwangi. The parking free here is 5,000 for motorbikes and 15,000 for car. The entrance ticket in quite affordable, namely 7,500 for adult and 5,000 for teenager. If you come here, you won't be cautioned about finding a place to eat because there are a lot of still here that profit food, namely snack or heavy meal, not just culinary dealing on the beach. This is spot that sell souvenir typical of Probolinggo, guys. Nature tourism not only offers stunning landscapes, but also teaches of available lesson about conservation and appreciation for the wonder of our planet. We immersing ourselves in the beauty of nature. We gain a deeper understanding of its meaning and our role in preserving it. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.